How much longer can the iPhone 12 from 4 years ago still be used? This phone was brought in by a local customer. The customer described that this phone has been used for over 4 years since purchase. The appearance is still attractive. However, recently the battery has been losing power quickly. It needs to be charged 2 to 3 times a day. It runs out of battery after just a morning out. A power bank is necessary every day. It's extremely inconvenient. The customer also mentioned that besides the battery issue, the speaker volume is also very low. Let's help him fix it together. The customer found us through Dwayne. He saw that our videos show detailed work. Let's follow the procedures shown in the video to repair this phone. I told him that your requests are our standard procedure. For this phone, we will replace the battery. We will use a high-capacity battery cell. This will extend the battery life after replacement. The performance will also be better. Next is the entire process of replacing the battery. The customer's battery is indeed worn out. The battery health is around 85%. You can click the video to order the battery cell. After ordering, it can be replaced directly in store. Our repair process is meticulous. You can rest assured about the repair and feel secure using it. You don't see. Sorry. No. Right? The phone is a princess.